Hello and welcome to this video about Nmap. The focus here will be on host discovery, but I will give you like a quick introduction about Nmap. Nmap, using Nmap, you could do host discovery, port scanning, service and application version detection, operating system detection, and Nmap scripting. Nmap scripting engine is considered one of the most powerful and flexible features because it allows you to write and share simple scripts to automate wide variety of tasks. And the good thing about those scripts that they can run in parallel uh, with high speed. Now, as I said, today the focus will be on host discovery. Nmap usually perform a preliminary ping scan before doing more invasive operation like scanning ports. So the focus will be on learning about host discovery. I have two virtual machines, the Kali Linux and Metasploitable 2. Now, let's say nmap, nmap dash sn, and I'm gonna enter the IP address of the machine. Okay, now here it tells me that the host is up. It's up and running. There's also another option you could do nmap to a website. Let's say like nmap.org. Now here you could see the result here. Here you could see that nmap report that it's up. It took about 89 seconds and it gave me the MAC address. Okay. So this host is up. Now scanning the domain name for nmap.org, it took about 34 seconds. And there's also like it give us some other information like the DNS records. Okay, so this is one option. Let's do another scan, and we will use TCP send ping. PS. Now the the send ping scan usually it uses the TCP send ping scan on a target network or group of hosts to determine if they are up or running or not. If the host is up and the port is open, it will respond with TCP send acknowledge packet. Okay. Now, if the host is up but the port is closed, it will respond with a TCP reset packet. If the host is down or the packet is blocked by a firewall, Nmap will not receive any response. So here, what do we see here? Here we see bunch of the scan, how long it took, and it give us a number of open ports. You can see the port 22 for SSH, port 80 for HTTP, and 443 HTTPS, and so on. So this is for TCP SYN ping. Now there's also another option. You could do scanning for acknowledge flag A, and just as a reminder, the SYN and acknowledge are located inside the TCP header. Now again, the TCP acknowledge is a type of host discovery also method used by sending TCP acknowledge to the packet to a very specific port if you want, or group of ports. If the host is up and the port is closed, it will respond with a TCP reset packet. If the host is up and the port is open or filtered by a firewall, it will not respond with a reset packet. Okay. So based on this information, Nmap can determine whether the host is up or not. Okay, clear? Now, there's also another option we could do, which is the ICMP ping types. Okay. Now, there are three types of ping. The first one is dash PE, dash PP, and dash PM. All of these types of pings are not reliable because it is blocked by firewall. So if we say PE, for example, against Nmap, see here in this one, here we're sending ICMP equal request packet to target. It's supposed to respond with ICMP equal reply. Okay, now we got a response here. Okay, so that's good. Now let's try the other type of ICMP ping, which is PP, which is ICMP timestamp request ping. So, you know, Nmap will send ICMP timestamp request packet to the target. If the device responds with ICMP time stamp reply, then it is live. Now here, it tells me what? That it's not running. So what can we do? Okay, let's try an internal IP, 192.168.0.138, which is the metasploitable 2. It gave back to me. Now, the reason why it did not work, simply because ping is not allowed. Okay, so in this case, now, in this case, what can I do to get some response back from Nmap? I could use dash P N, okay, and map plus, let's give it some time. Okay, here I got the response back from it. So basically, those are very simple type of host discovery. You could always use it to learn about, if there's anything that is available. Now, one thing I would like to mention, the nmap dash sn, okay, can be used as a ping sweep. So I'm gonna put down 168 dot 0.0/24. Uh, now, now the system telling me right now these are the live machines. But there's no port information because when you use this switch dash sn, you're disabling port scan. Okay, so it's like you're telling Nmap to do host discovery and display only the list of hosts that are up and running. This usually considered to be a fast and discrete reconnaissance of a targeted network, making it useful, for system administrators. And it is often employed to count the number of machines available on a network or to monitor server availability. So that's a very good option if you want to do ping sweep. This will conclude the host discovery session.